Hello everyone, myself Paramar Divyarakshi Surendra Singh, and today's my topic is nature and nurture. So the nature and nurture are two important factors that influence human growth and development. Nature refers to the genetic characteristics and traits that we receive from our parents, such as eye color, height, intelligence, intelligence potential, and certain personality traits. Those are determined by our genes. On the other hand, nurture refer to the environmental influence that shape our behavior and development. Uh, those include family, education, culture, friends, nutrition, and life experience. Nature affects how our inherited abilities and traits develop over time. For example, a child may inherit a natural talent for music or nature. However, without proper training and practice provided by nature, that talent may never fully develop. Similarly, a healthy environment, good education, and emotional support help individuals reach their full potential. potential. Psychologists believe that both nature and nurture work together in shaping a person's personalities, behavior, intelligence, and overall development. Neither factor alone is responsible for who we become. Human development is the result of the interaction between our games and our environment. Conclusion: nature gives us our biological foundation, while nurture helps shape and develop our ability and behavior. Understanding both factors helps us better understand human growth and individual differences. Thank you.